Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you shop online a lot, Amazon Pay can save you serious time. It lets you pay on other websites using your Amazon account, so no need to re-enter your card details every time. But managing Amazon Pay is key for security and even control. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna see how to manage Amazon Pay in Amazon Shopping or Amazon.com in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first thing first, open your Amazon Shopping or your Amazon.com, then go all the way, pick the link, then log in using your email address and password. As for now, we're gonna go and tap on our account and lists. So we have our Prime, we have login security, we have our orders, we have your addresses, your Amazon family, and all of these options. So you are looking for the Amazon Pay. Go and check your payments. So basically check your I'm talking about the payment methods. Manage addresses, cards, and even permissions, then remove sites you no longer trust. So as for more tips, you should disable Amazon Pay on sites you don't recognize. Keep one primary card to avoid the checkout errors. As you see, use your Amazon account for the Amazon Pay, unlock special deals from Amazon Pay. Just tap on this and it will take you automatically here. Tap on get started with Amazon Pay. Just sign in using the same email address and password you want to, and check all of these promotions and every other detail. And that's the main idea. So thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.